Today we're building up a Hutch Trickstar from the 80s. So we'll go through all the parts. First we have the frame in this crazy color, and then we have the forks. The headset's also attached, but we'll add a gyro on top of that. We have a Dominator seat, some Tech 77 brake levers, Hutch grips, Hutch ladder bars, a 1-inch Hutch quill stem, a laid back seat post, the Hutch donut clamp, Odyssey front and back brakes, Kenda tires, ACS Z-Mag wheels. We have a 1-inch gyro, KMC chain and ACS freewheel. We have some Redline flight cranks. We'll put them on a little bit later, so stay tuned for the build. here we have the 80s Hutch Trickstar, looking really good with this awesome paint job. So we'll go through all the parts with you. First of all, we have the Repop Hutch grips. We have a Diacompe Tech 77. We have the Hutch ladder bars with a brand new gyro. We have the Hutch Western stem, 1-inch. A brand new headset and gyro. From there we go over to the Odyssey 1999 brakes in polished silver. We have a Kenda Freestyle tire from the 80s, along with an ACS Z-Mag mag wheel and the valve cap. These are the original Hutch forks with the peg stander. Moving over to the middle, we have the VP bear trap pedals. We got the Redline flight cranks, a Redline flight sprocket, and a KMC chain. We then move over to the Hutch donut clamp, the layback seat post, and the black Dominator plastic seat. Back on the rear, the Odyssey brake with the Kenda Freestyle tire, the ACS Z-Mag. We have an ACS freewheel. So let us know what you think of this beautiful Hutch. Did you have a Trickstar back in the day? Did you have a Windstyler or an XL or a Judge? Anything like that? Please let us know in the comments. And please like, share, subscribe, and check out some of our other old school videos over here. And thanks for watching the video.